What's up, everybody? Alright, Window Renovations working on our Jayco. Got the sink out. Check out the previous video for that. Just a couple of wing nuts underneath it. Came right out. Same sort of connectors as in the bathroom. They just unscrew right off, and it's a plastic sink. Pop right out. For the countertop, so there are screws going around everywhere. You can probably see those. That's the support part, so you could take that off and pop all of it out. I wanted to leave the supports in place. The rest of it was basically just stapled in. So you can see the many markings underneath it. Biggest thing to watch out for is if you look right there, where I had to tear that up, there was a screw coming from inside the wall through the countertop. Seems to be a common theme with some of the stuff in this trailer. So basically what I did is, right where the screw was, just whack at it with a pry bar and a hammer just to chip away at the bottom of the countertop. I'm not reusing the countertop, so I didn't need it there. Just to get the wood removed, and then I was able to lift it right off with the screw. And then the screw actually just pulled right out through there with a pair of pliers. So then once that's done, you pry everything up. I just pried everything with a small pry bar right underneath the countertop. Just got right in the edge here. Start prying it up. Pops right up.